Well, good morning, good morning. Cut. Well, good morning. Hope you're all doing well, as usual. The obligatory cup of tea with honey. Hope you all enjoyed the last couple of videos on how do I know what I'm listening to, and why is it whenever you're going to make a video, damn clocks start. I tell you, they have it in for me. It was the same when I had a cuckoo clock. I used to have a cuckoo clock here. No sooner you go to make a video and that cuckoo would come out. I'm sure it knew. I'm going to have to turn these off or something. Anyhow, cut. Well, good morning. Nice to be with you again. A very wet, miserable Saturday morning. But have the obligatory cup of tea with honey. Hope you all enjoyed the previous two videos. How do I know what I'm listening to? The little follow-up video, radio, I think Ravraz 2 or something in Iceland. I was going to join the two together, but the phone wouldn't allow me to do it. There wasn't enough capacity on my phone to do it. So I had to do one after the other. So forgive me, but yeah, that was interesting. So what I was gonna see. Shut up. Cut. Well, good afternoon. Forgot what I was going to say now. Cut.